Model, 2016 VAUXHALL Combo 1.3 CDTI 16-valve MOT'D low mileage needs. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 82,485. MOT, 26 January 2024. Engine, 1248 cc 1.3D. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a misfire. Needs 1 or 2 injectors replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £3,595. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.